Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the iCloud account on an iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. If you need to switch iCloud accounts on your iPhone, perhaps because someone else will be using the device, then simply follow these steps. So first, open the Settings app, and at the top of the settings page, you will see your name and account information. So tap on it to access your Apple ID settings. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the sign out option. If this option is grayed out and unavailable, then just go back to the main settings menu and scroll down to the screen time like so, then tap on it. So from here, scroll down and turn off the screen time lock. And once that's done, return to the Apple ID settings and the sign out button should now be clickable. So just tap sign out here and enter your Apple ID password when prompted. You will be asked whether to keep a copy of certain data, such as contacts or notes, on the iPhone. So just choose the items you want to retain, and afterwards you can tap sign out in the top right corner. So the iCloud data associated with a current account will now be removed from the iPhone. And once signed out, return to the top of the settings page and tap sign in to your iPhone. You can now sign in with a different Apple ID either by entering the details manually or using credentials from another Apple device. So that's how to change the iCloud account on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.